If you want a fresher home with less daily maintenance, this one is definitely worth checking out. The Cumrige Self-Cleaning Litter Box. With its automatic waste removal, odor control technology, and smart safety features, it delivers a hands-off experience that both you and your cat will appreciate. Quieter operation. Our automatic litter box maintains a peaceful environment in your home, day and night. Its whisper-quiet performance allows both you and your cat to enjoy undisturbed rest, even during those late-night visits.